Imagine this, your office, not bound by four walls, but the endless horizon. Welcome to the world of digital nomads, where work and travel intertwine. First up, Nissan's latest concept vehicle, the NV350 Caravan Office Pod, a fascinating blend of a camper van and a fully functional office. It's a game-changer for digital nomads, providing a mobile office that caters to the work-from-anywhere crowd. And speaking of the work-from-anywhere crowd, did you know that by 2019, 30% of American workers were freelancers, and the numbers are only growing? But let's not forget the motivations behind this shift. According to documentarian Samuel Durand, work environment, significance in tasks, and the organization's goals and mission are key motivators for this new workforce. The future of work is here, and it's remote, it's flexible, and it's globally mobile. So, are you ready to join the digital nomad revolution?